Chicago, you're part of something big. You feel it riding the L past soaring skyscrapers, heading downtown on Lakeshore Drive, or catching a glimpse of the city on your way into Midway or O'Hare. We live in the city of broad shoulders. But today, Chicagoans are calling out for help. From crime to unemployment to affordable housing, there is so much uncertainty ahead.
Back in the Korean War, we'd have fighter pilots shot down behind enemy lines. They would be trapped, possibly captured. And this is where that concept of personnel recovery first came into play. It's up to our federal government to recover our personnel and reintegrate them into society. For our defense and intelligence customers, they operate a lot on closed and classified networks.
I didn't know anything about autism. I mean, I heard the word autism, but I didn't understand anything about it. My name is Marisela Robles, and I am Enrique's mother. I thought that he would grow out of it, that it was just a phase, but it wasn't until the age of 7 that I started seeing more and more signs. One day at school, he had a huge meltdown.
There's a void inside of me. Ever since I can remember. An endless abyss. I don't have anyone. I never have. I don't feel anything when I pull the trigger. All those people, it's like they're a part of me, but I can never feel the emptiness.
Where are you going?
To my friend's house, until this circus is over.
What did you expect? Look, I know them well, okay? And I told you it's going to happen.
I expected you not to be a coward.
Listen to me. When Hans comes back, you need to tell him that you are on board and ready to work. You still don't get it, do you? Do you think this is gonna stop if we play nice? This is only the beginning, Anders. First, it's censorship. Then it's education. One thing after another, but it's never enough. And it starts with this. Do the right thing, Anders.
I just don't know what else to do.
Single life's treated me just fine.
Dude, come on, this is Alex.
Cam. All I can say is I only have to worry about myself, right? I understand that Alex is the captain, but sometimes you just gotta do what's best for you, you know? And honestly, all you really have to do is move on.
You don't understand, I'm not gonna leave him.
I've been working on my own kind of therapy for situations such as this. It's where I take two people who've experienced similar types of emotional trauma and I bring them together. And we use the past to calm the present mind.
How about I just light this entire place on fire?
I'm hearing a lot of pain, Maya.